Hey guys, welcome to my complete idiot's guide. Welcome to this complete idiot's, welcome to my complete idiot's guide to solving your problem with the smoking chain and bar on your chainsaw. All right guys, part one, this is all the troubleshooting that I did on my saw. Part two is going to be what the solution is. But listen to part one, because you may not have the exact problem that I have, and there's like 6 things that I check. We're going to go over those 6 things, so stick around. And then in part two, we're going to find out what exactly was wrong with my saw, what I did to fix it, and hopefully this will help you get your saw back into working order if you're having similar problems. One, not getting oil flow. I think we took care of that. I think there's evidence of oil flow. One, it spews out when I rev it with the chain off, or when I'm running it and I run it up against one of these logs, I get a solid line of oil. Now, is the chain not sharp enough? No, chain's super sharp. Like, I'm getting good chips off of it. But on the opposite end, I may have taken the rakers too low. That's putting too much load on the chain, which is putting too much load on the clutch, which is causing it to slip. That's possible. Bar. Maybe I screwed up the bar. I did end up taking that, the bar, whatever you call it. It's basically a file, it makes it smooth again. It did seem a little rough, but I mean, I did that. It didn't change anything. But if there was a problem with the bar, that could once again be causing drag, which is putting more load on this clutch, causing it to slip. Number one, I don't think it's oil. 2, maybe a problem with the chain. Not too sharp, but maybe the rakers are too low. 3, maybe I need a new bar. 4, maybe I need a new clutch. And if it's the new clutch, do I just need this outer assembly, or do I need this inner assembly, or both? I'm guessing I would replace both if I'm going to do it. All right, so now we covered the 4, maybe 5, not 6 things that could be the problem, but you saw the video. That bar and chain is smoking. So what are the possible problems? Come real quick again. Oiler, chain, bar, either part of the clutch, which could be 4 or 5, however you want to consider it. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Set reminders so you can see what I did to fix my saw and all the possible ways you can fix it if you're having a similar problem. All right, guys, till next time.